Welcome to today's video. My name is Agent Double Sonic, and in this episode we're going to be drawing Mario in 60 seconds. Let's get started. Hence the shirt. Oh yeah, it's the Mario. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Wow, this is going to be very small. Okay. Alright, here we are. We have Mario in 60 seconds, and I will say, that's not that bad. I did Paper Mario because that's my favorite Mario. What are you gonna do? Sue me? I'm kidding. Peace, love, and hot sauce, and until tomorrow, where we draw Luigi. And I'm sorry, Luigi, I don't have a Luigi shirt, so I'm probably just gonna wear this one again. Alright, thanks for watching.